Hi there, in this tutorial we will learn how to remove background from an image. So let's take a look on the entire process. So at first we have to open our exercise file. So here is the file menu, and from there we will go for open option. And inside the selection and masking folder you will get this Christian Unsplash image, and along with that we will open Nitish Unsplash image. So let's open this two image. Okay, you can take a look. A handsome man is smiling on the image, and we want to remove this blue sky background from this image. So let's take a look on the entire process. How will we do that? At first we have to use the quick selection tool. So here is the quick selection tool, and we have to select this handsome man, and therefore we have to use add selection tool. So you can take a look. Right now I have subtract selection tool, but I have to use add selection tool. So here is the plus sign, and I have to increase the brush size. So here is the option, and let's increase the brush size for 410 pixel, and we have to select this man. Okay, it seems his tip part is missing, and we want to be sure which parts are missing by selection, and therefore we have to use the quick mask mode. So here is the quick mask mode. Let me click on here. You can take a look. His tip part is really not selected, and we have to select the area. So let me turn off the quick mask mode, and I want to select his teeth part. Okay, looks good. And to remove the background we have to add a layer mask. So here is the option for adding layer mask. So you just have to click on here, and you can take a look. The background is removed, and right now I want to convert this layer into smart object, and therefore you just have to right click on here, then you have to click on convert to smart object option, and you can take a look. Our layer is converted into smart object, and here is the symbol of smart object. And now I want to move this image in Nitish Unsplash image. I want to move it, and therefore we have to use the move tool, and we will drag and drop this man into Nitish Unsplash image. So let's move him. Move, and let's paste here. Okay, cool. So it seems funny that this handsome man is smiling and an airplane flying out from his mouth. So this just for fun. Okay, so let me get back to the Christian Unsplash image. So this is how you will remove background from an image, and it's really quite simple. You just have to use the quick selection tool, and then you just have to add a layer mask. So this is quite simple. So see you in next lesson.